brush twice a day.
I dey brush my teeth in the morning, in the evening.
I brush twice in a day. That's morning and in the evening before I sleep.
Twice in a day, that's morning and evening.
Twice.
I brush my teeth 3 times a day.
Twice. Twice a day.
Sometimes twice in a day, sometimes once in a day.
So at least two times a day. Yeah.
I change my toothbrush twice in a year. That is every 6 months.
One brush, sometimes I dey reach 6 months. Sometimes I reach 3 months. Sometimes they reach 5 months. I dey change am.
3 months, every 3 months.
2 months. After 2 months, I change. Yes.
Twice in a month.
I change my toothbrush in 2 months. Every 2 months, yes.
After 3 months.
Well, I used to change them maybe after a week.
Also, once in a month I change my toothpaste. I mean my brush.
Wow. Not really awful because it's the least thing I bother about.
After 2 weeks.
Mostly 3 months. Sometimes it goes beyond 3 months, but yeah.
I can't remember.
It don't reach like 1 year or 2 years now when I go there.
Like 6 months ago.
I can't remember. It has been a while.
Not at all.
That was last year April.
Honestly, it's been long.
How long? 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years.
About 7 years. Yeah.
Yes, so
Why?
they've even removed my teeth.
It's been a while. It's been a while, yeah.
Yes.
We know a dental floss is.
Yes.
What about a tongue scrub?
Yes, I have.
No, I've not.
You don't know, but you know what a dental floss is.
Actually, I've not seen it. I don't know anything.
Not really.
Do you know what is dental floss?
I don't think
What about tongue scrub?
I'm not at it.
And them show me the stick. That malam stick when them they sell am. Now I use them the brush now.
What about tongue scrub?
No.
No, I don't.
Do you know what a tongue scrub is?
No, I don't know.
What about dental floss?
No, I don't have any idea.
Sorry, I don't understand by tongue scrub.
Do you know what a tongue scrub is?
No,
What about dental floss?
not really.
Nah.
Do you know what that is?
I'm actually hearing it for the first time.
Do you have dental floss? Do you use dental floss?
No,
What
no.
about mouthwash? Do you use mouthwash?
Nah.
You don't use mouthwash. Yeah.
I use it like this. And then enter the right side. And then come this side. And then open my mouth and use it inside. Like this. So that I'll brush inside. And after that, after brush finish, I'll use it and scrub my tongue.
I do like this. After I do like this. After I do like this. I do like this. Like this. And like this. Yes.
Okay. Brush up, down, turn. Yeah.
Like this, up, down, then scrape my tongue.
Brush this way, and then I turn it up to brush every angle of my teeth.
Babe, we have something to tell you. Because I will know this guys are all him in public. Please take care of your mouth. You have mouth odor.
Yes, to see a dentician and have it taken care of.
To advise the person to visit a dentist, some drugs that he can use for his mouth.
Okay, for the meals causing blackmail, I would say veggies, especially when I say veggies, like vegetable soup, afang soup, so mostly food that has veggies. It might still be fried rice and jollof rice. There are some veggies that when you eat, and most of us, there is how our teeth, our dentition is. We have different dentition and the rest, so we might have some crumbs on our teeth and the rest. So, and we might likely not know after leaving the restaurant or wherever we went to eat, coming out, and if you smile like the way I just did now, you notice I have a gap teeth, and most people have gap teeth and some crumbs. So I might have a vegetable crumb on my teeth and I might not know. So maybe in the process of smiling to my friends, they'll be like, ah, you just finished eating. And you can't lie about that. And it's obvious we just finished eating. So you have that crumb. Oh, please, can you take it off? So it's advisable, and which in our restaurant, we are going to have something like a mirror. So after eating, the customer can make use of the mirror, they'll smile and make sure their teeth is low. So aside that, what I'll advise people that has a mouth odor, okay, I advise them to use the right.
Before you talk about the mouth odor part,
Okay.
I want to ask you a question. If one of your customers have bad breath, how do you approach the situation?
Okay, first of all, how do you know your customer has a bad breath? Okay, at some point when talking to a customer, you go close to the customer, like give a little distance. And when the customer is talking to you, you notice it. So privately you can just call, please, hi, this is a ma'am or a ma'am. Hello sir, please, can I have 1 minute of your time? Say, okay, no problem. So please, I'm so sorry, and with due respect, I noticed something and I know it's normal and usual, and I think the best way is for me to call you privately and talk to you about. So please don't feel bad about it, that I noticed I perceived some kind of, so maybe it might be from the food you just finished eating or something. So I felt the breath is natural, the bad breath is natural, maybe from your tongue and your throat and the rest. So I'll advise you to make use of, if I have an Oral-B toothpaste, I'll help them do the advertisements. Please, can you use Oral-B? Or if I know Close-Up works for me, I'll tell them, please, can you be using Close-Up toothpaste? And I'll hear from the customer and ask them, please, which toothpaste do you use precisely? And how many days do you brush in a day? So the customer might be like, I brush only in the mornings, and I'll give the customer a good and a genuine reason why the customer has to be brushing twice a day, and especially after eating. So aside making use of the toothbrush morning and after eating, in the night after eating, so I think there's another better way that makes it easier, and which I'm going to talk to our MD about it, and let's try and provide a complimentary sweet or kind of a chewing gum for our customers after eating, so they can just pick one and they'll have a fresh bit after eating food. Thank you. All right, thank you.
All right, the advice I have for people to keep their breath clean is to always brush their teeth. It's very, very good. You brush in the morning, along the day you eat so many kind of things, and definitely there will be some particles that hangs along the teeth. So it's also good before you go to bed, you also brush your teeth, so that at least you can have a very good breath. Yes, sir.
Is maybe to always brush your mouth before and after eating, maybe first thing in the morning and last thing at night. Yes.
Before taking your breakfast, you wash your mouth first and take your breakfast, then you do before brush, so that all the food will not be there in your mouth. Once the food is in your mouth, it will be decay, and before you know, you'll be developing bad odor.
Guy, I don't know.
I should brush their teeth always.
Actually, I don't know. I'm not into medical line, but I have a very strong teeth, so I can use my teeth on anything, and I don't normally have problem.
Usually the mentality is when you have little toothache, you just rush down and get it.
Teeth is actually one of important organs of the body, the mouth. So when you know that your mouth is well taken care of, you have that confidence even interacting with people. But when you don't have that confidence, when your teeth is dirty, you don't have the confidence of interacting with people. So it's very important to take care of it. It's actually very difficult to actually tell someone that your mouth is smelling because of how they will take it is very difficult for people to take when you say your mouth is smelling. So it's actually difficult. I don't know how to, yeah.